Citizens alert! Barack Obama's cap and trade law will increase your electric and heating bills by 40% to 100% and drive the price of gasoline to over $5 per gallon. Energy costs will affect public schools and local governments, and your property taxes will soar. You will have to spend tens of thousands of dollars in modifications to sell your home. Man-made global warming is a scam to rob you of your money. There is no global warming. Temperatures have been falling over the past 10 years. Cap and trade will kill over 1 million U.S. jobs and provide socialistic powers to Obama and the Democrats, while countries like China have repeatedly said they'll never pass an economy-killing bill like cap and trade. Cap and trade, called the Climate Bill, has passed the U.S. House. It must be stopped in the Senate to save our country. You can help stop cap and trade by joining the Better Government Association. Call 1-800-769-0855 or go to bettergovernment.org.